Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to change your Facebook location. Let's get into the video. So, once you log into your Facebook page or account, you simply click on these three dots here. After which, you scroll down and you click on what? Settings. After that, you click on settings. So once you get to this other page, you scroll down and you click on device permission. Once you're there, you are going to see location. You click on it, you scroll down and you click on update settings. So it is going to take us to another page where we simply click on what? Open device settings. After that, you click on what? Permission. So after that, you click on what? Location. So you can actually change it if you want. So guys, I'm going to show you guys another method, another way that you can change your Facebook account location. So you simply click on what? On the Facebook app. You hold it, you click on account details. That is application details, sorry. It's going to take us here again. After that, you click on what? Permission. So guys, after that, you scroll down, you are going to see location. You click on it, you can simply change it if you want. So guys, that is actually the way you change your Facebook location. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.